What is up, everyone? My name is Phil, the channel is Phil's Pulls, and I've got a special one for you today. This is my very first YouTube video. Couldn't be more excited about it. Little background on this channel. We are going to do card openings, pack openings, everything under the sun. Today we got basketball, which will be a rarity. Baseball, hockey, Pokemon will kind of be the regulars, but let me know what you guys want to see and we can mix in anything you want. So first, a little background on my collecting career. I was super into the hobby when I was younger, probably from about the age of 7 to 18, 19. Then my career kind of got in the way. I played baseball professionally for 15 years and have recently decided to start things up again. And what better way to kind of hop back into the hobby with you guys than share some stuff on YouTube. So we can kind of get right into things today. So this is the much anticipated 2019-2020 Panini Contenders draft picks. So I do not know basketball very well. I know there is a guy named Zion who everybody seems to be going after, and his cards are just going crazy on eBay, so that's what we're really gonna be looking for. But if I do pull something else that's really good, let me know in the comments, because I most likely will miss it and not really give it too much attention. So please let me know about that. Also, please leave a like and subscribe. That would help me out tremendously. Let me know that you guys enjoy this type of stuff, and we'll keep it rolling. So today we have six boxes of this. This is, I think it's 6 packs per box, and you get 1 autograph in every single pack. So we are going to be going through some cards today, 36 autographs total. Let's see if we can get on that Zion train and snag us one of those. Without further ado, let's get into this. All right, there we have it. So, I've seen some of this open before. It is very kind of base heavy. So we'll go a little bit slower at the beginning, but I do want to get through this video today. So let's get into it. Colin Sexton, Irving, Blake Griffin. As you can see, there's a lot of kind of your base stuff in here. First autograph is going to be Luke May. Luke May. Pack 2. I really do not open basketball much at all, so I don't particularly know these guys very well. We got a Kai Bowman, if I'm saying that right. Ball. I know him. Sekou Doumbouya? Am I saying that right? You guys will have to let me know on that one. Doumbouya. Interesting. Upside down Shaq. Got another international player here. Davidas Servitas. Okay. There's that. All right, no Zion yet. Still early. We'll start going through these pretty quick. Upside on Barkley, upside on Kobe. And we got Justin Wright Foreman. Okay, cool. RJ Barrett base, I think that's good. Moving on. So I think the first day this came out, there was a Zion. I don't know if it was a 1/1 or something like that, but I think it was up to like $100,000 on eBay the first day, which is pretty crazy. Got a James Harden /15, not bad. And a Amir Coffey from the U, Golden Gopher, all right. Nothing else crazy there. But yeah, if we pull that that Zion, that was to like, you know, whatever it was, $100,000 or something. This will be my last video. Just kidding. Tremont Waters, LSU. Okay. Sweet. Bobo. Put in my Bobo stack. Jalen Hands, UCLA. Oh, /99, okay. And Zion base, game day ticket. Cool. Set that one aside. So I think for our next video, we're gonna do some baseball. I was thinking 5-star baseball, it'd be kind of fun. It'd be a short video. It's only like 2 cards a box. So that'll go pretty quick, but we'll see what we can do with that. Here we got Daquan Jeffries. Okay. Zion hunt continues. Bull, getting a lot of him. All right, moving along. Yeah, 5-star baseball is pretty cool. Not as much of this base nonsense in there. Just get right to it. Just get right to the autographs. That's the way to go these days. Rui Hachimura /15. All right. Wait, did I miss the autograph in here? Did we get shorted in auto? Oh man. Panini. Strongly worded letter coming to you guys. I probably like threw it away with a wrapper. Watch, I'll find it later. That'd be funny. Wow, short and auto. Okay. You don't get like a low numbered card and replacement of an auto, I don't think. Because I've seen them where you get like an insert and a autograph in every pack, but we'll have to see what's going on with that. Here we got Ty Jerome, Virginia. All right, cool. Ooh, another Zion. Base card. Even these are going for like a decent amount of money on eBay, I think. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Guy's supposed to be pretty good. If I've heard of him, he must be good in basketball. Sticking all over the place. All right. We got Steph Curry to 99. Cool. And Jordan Poole, Michigan. Kobe White, he's supposed to be pretty good. We'll set that one aside. If I've heard of them, they must be good, so we'll set aside any of those young guys. Rookies cards. Let's see. Sorry, the light keeps going on. Phil Booth. Phil Booth. Okay. Bol. The Bol trade continues. We're gonna get some Zion heat. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right. DeAndre Hunter, Virginia. That is to 18. 3 of 18. Cool. Again, like I mentioned before, if you guys see a guy that's really good and I pass it over, let me know in the comments, because I will not know until I check eBay later. But Ethan Happ, Wisconsin. Closing in on the halfway point. Lugens Dort. Am I saying that right? LSU? Lugens Dort? All right. Two packs and we're halfway. Some sparkly. Larry Bird. Heard of him. Is that numbered? Oh, 10 to 10. You can like barely see it on the bottom right. 10 of 10, Larry Bird. All right, and the auto. So yeah, you can get like a low numbered card and autograph. I think we just got screwed out of an auto in that pack. Robert Franks. Yeah, Panini. What's up with that? You gotta send me a Zion now, 1 of 1. That's what would have been in that pack. But seriously, like if you went in and just bought a pack of this out of like an open box in a card shop, how mad would you be? Chris Wilkes, UCLA. Did we pull him already? Or is that just another UCLA guy I'm thinking of? Anyway. Yeah, like you go into a card shop, buy one pack of something that's, you know, this is expensive because there's an autograph in every pack. And then you, you know, save up to get your one pack and then there's no autograph in it. I'm sure Panini makes it right, but still kind of a bummer. We got Devin Mitchell, it's 23. And Magic Johnson to 99. We didn't get an autograph in this one either. What is up with that? I could have swore you get an autograph in every pack. That's 2 now we haven't. But that one at least had like 2 numbered cards in it. Maybe that's it, I don't know. All right, two packs with no auto. That's kind of a bummer. That is Grant Williams to 99. Tennessee. Cool looking card, I like that gold. Let me know in the comments if you guys have opened any of this and what you think of it. I know the Zion cards are going crazy, but I don't know much about anything else. It's probably just I know it's like the first, cards that have like his real rookie card in it, so people are gonna go crazy off the bat. Jordan Poole, Michigan. I know we've got this guy before, so we'll be a doubled up. This guy's on the box. It's gotta be good. Put him aside. Jalen McDaniels, San Diego State. And some other guys. All right, almost coming to the end of box 4 here. 2 packs so far without autos. Maybe that's a sign of something good to come. Mere Coffee, that's another duplicate. I know we had this guy too. Amir Coffee. And some more of those guys. Yeah, I'm curious how much longer these Zion cards will be going nuts once some other products come out this year, because I think this is kind of like kicking off the season. Shaq and a Magic draft ticket to 75. And the autograph is Luke May, who we've already gotten as well. So we're doubling up a lot. Too bad we couldn't double up on some Zion, that'd be kind of sweet. But still two boxes left, so still a chance at some Magic. Luka recently pulled an autograph out of him out of Prism, gave it away. Tyus Battle, Syracuse. I was giving away all the pulls I did one night. There's another Zion base. Cool. I was giving away all the everything I pulled out of a box, and I pulled a Luka auto. Somebody was pretty stoked about that. LeBron, Durant, Isaiah Roby to 99, Nebraska. It's that Dort guy again. Bobo. A million of his cards, it seems like today. Rolling right along. Jalen Horde. Jalen Horde. Sweet. Wonder how many autographs like these guys had to sign for this set. Like whether they're stickers or on cards. I'm curious like the quantities that are out there. I remember signing some like early rookie draft stuff and I feel like it was just tens of thousands of stickers. Jordan Bone. Tennessee. J-Bone. I don't know, I'm just assuming that's what his nickname would be. Bol Bol. No shortage of Bol Bol. Tall joke. And so much base. Sagaba Kanate? Probably butchering that, but sorry. West Virginia. Kobe White. Getting down to it. I feel like I've seen the same base cards like at least 8 times. Kevin Porter Jr. SC guy to 25. 17 to 25. Right on. All right, I feel like we're due for something big. John Wall, 75. And Quindary Weatherspoon. Quindary Weatherspoon. All right. And the Zion base. Always take those. Five packs left. 5 left. Ben Simmons. It's dating a Kardashian, I think. Zion Cheatham. ASU. Zion Cheatham. Another Zion. Got a bunch of those. One with an autograph on it would be kind of neat. Another Larry Bird, to 99. Got a lot of the Birdman. And Terrence Davis, number 3. Wrote his number on there. I kind of like that. Especially when it comes to those stickers, I can only imagine how many of those he had to sign. So the extra work is appreciated. Most of these guys just rock the squiggle, which I don't blame them when you got a stack of 1,000 sticker pages in front of you. All right, coming down to the wire. Let's see if we can get something legit. Kyle Kuzma, 75. And Tyler Cook, Iowa. So that's what I'd be doing with that many stickers, just a TC. Actually, that's what I kind of did for some of them. All right, 2 packs left. We got Goga Bitadze? Couldn't tell you. Goga Bitadze. All right, last pack. Let's see if we can do it. Griffin. Daniel Gafford. Daniel Gafford. So no Zion. Well, take that back. Got another Zion base. No Zion auto out of this. I'm curious to see how you guys, if you did open some of this, how you guys fared, if you got Zions or anything else super cool. I didn't really recognize many of these guys in the autographs, but you guys can let me know if you know, I skipped over somebody that's pretty good. But yeah, that's it. 6 boxes. I'll recap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Yeah, so we should have had 36 autos and we had 34. So kind of a bummer there, but overall, I mean, this stuff is pretty cool. Obviously no Zion, but you know, you get an autograph in every pack, which is pretty neat. But I mean, with all these draft guys, it's like, you know, it's a wait and see game. So we'll see how we did. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, we'll be back next time, probably with baseball 5-star, which should be pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. That's gonna be it for me today. See ya.